Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get iOS 26 beta update on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on general. Go ahead and click on software update. Then it should say iOS 18.5 or your version of iOS 18. Come here to where you see beta update, click on it. Then it should say iOS 26 developer beta, then click on it. Hit the back button, refresh the page, then it should say the iOS 26 beta available for update. Then go ahead and click on update now to download and install the update on your iPhone. Mark you, before you install the iOS 26 beta on your iPhone, make sure you back up your iPhone to iCloud or an external storage so that if things goes wrong, you're able to restore your backup. And that's it. So that is exactly how to get iOS 26 beta update on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.